Yes, please click that like button. Empire Crypto TV. Big news have come up in the world of crypto regarding MicroStrategy. Let's get into it. News coming out can be major implication on the market. MicroStrategy pays off a Silvergate loan, buys more Bitcoin. I think they bought more than 6.4 Bitcoin, which is equivalent to 150 million Bitcoins. This is just happening a few hours ago. Remember, Silvergate, the same bank that was facing banking turmoil a few weeks ago, even the President of the United States stepping in and resolving the whole situation because it had major threats with the dollar in the economy and with BTC as well, or cryptocurrency market. But now MicroStrategy pays off that loan, and which means this is the rising point for Silvergate, because Silvergate was facing a time when it was going for insolvency, and it was revived back by the government and the support by the government of the United States. And now MicroStrategy pays off the $205 million loan which they have borrowed last March, and they have bought more Bitcoins, which is with 6.4 BTC in equivalent of $150 million worth of Bitcoins. MicroStrategy, a software company co-founded by Michael Saylor, prepaid the principal on a loan from Silvergate. Okay, the story goes on to say MicroStrategy MSTR, a software company that was co-founded by a large amount of buys. Okay, let me just see. I think the story is not complete from where I'm looking at it. All right, here. Buys a large amount of Bitcoin, prepaid the remaining principal on its Silvergate bank, according to a filing. If you just may excuse me, the news might be not so quite clear from my angle here. I think I have zoomed in too much. Let me just take it down a little bit so that I can see everything, because I cannot read everything that is written here, because yes, there we go. Okay, there is a news feed, right? Advocates and all right, I think I might have pushed it too much. Yes, there we go. All right, MicroStrategy, a software company that was co-founded by crypto advocate Michael Saylor. These are crypto-friendly companies. Okay, so they have a huge impact when something happens to them. The crypto market also gets affected. That's the whole story behind it. This is why this is such breaking news. This is such a big news that just came out, and that holds a large amount of Bitcoin. BTC prepaid the remaining principal on its $205 million loan from failed crypto-focused Silvergate bank to a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on Friday. In addition, MicroStrategy said it purchased another 6.455 Bitcoins for roughly $150 million, as I was saying, and that's about 23,238 per coin over the past 5 weeks. Wow. Okay, the loan payoff was made last Friday and totaled $161 million in $1 million as a part of the satisfaction of the loan. For 34,619 Bitcoins held as collateral were returned to MicroStrategy's custody. The company took out the loan last March. So these are big news. What can it do on the market? These are big news that just came out a few hours ago. So what will it do to the Bitcoin trend currently that the news just hit just a couple of hours ago? It's not something that happened maybe say a day, but it's just happening just recently. Something just happened recently. I will look at the 30-minute chart for now because this is a daily chart. It won't tell me. I want to look at something more on an intraday basis. I want it to be revealed. Just give it a second. Things are a bit slow, but it can, okay, the Bitcoin currently is trading at $26,000 per coin, just above $26,000, 853. So what can it do to the price? Because the Bitcoin, as we can see, it was tanking or losing strength. As you can see at this hour, you can see a bearish trend that is forming. Now the news just came out. This is a 30-minute chart, by the way, intraday chart. So anytime it can change based on the news, but that remains to be seen how this news affects the trend itself. It will be something that will be very, very interesting for us as traders to observe. How will these news affect the market? Maybe the Bitcoin will be shooting up alongside with the other cryptocurrencies, but that is the latest, the breaking news that I have brought for you. MicroStrategy has just done it, and until next time, I hope you find this informative. Empire Crypto TV. Thank you very much.